What is up, you beautiful people, and welcome back to EVwithRafiq. In this video, we're gonna see about all the Nissan, like what is Nissan done up till now in the electric vehicle field. So let's check out all the Nissan electric vehicles. This is a Nissan booth. The first vehicle of Nissan is a Nissan Ariya. You can see that's an all-electric vehicle, and Nissan has even come up with a sport F1 car, which is over there. I guess you guys can see the red glimpse of it. I'm gonna take up your closer. First, let's check out the Nissan Ariya. Alright, so this is a Nissan Ariya. It's an all-electric. That's the interior. You got a good white display. Yeah, this is how it looks from behind. I think the battery pack is below. Alright. We all gotta try, come on. Right, so let's get in. Yeah. Nissan Ariya. In the driver's seat right now. So clean. Alright. It is good. How it looks in the front. Alright, so this is about the manual. Alright. This is a board. Here we have drive, neutral and park. Okay. I think this is a glove box. Or that's a glove box, and it's actually wood, I guess. It's actually pretty comfortable, you know. I sat almost on whole seat. You can see how it looks, the seat design. The seat design is good, and behind, it's good. It's a good compact car. Yeah. Let's check out the other vehicles of Nissan right now. Moving ahead with Nissan, we have the sexy looking car. Let's check out the wheels. These are the wheels of this car. I love the wheels. I guess let me see the model of this. Yeah, this is all electric, guys. It's not a hybrid. You can see the interior of this car. Okay, and the exterior of the car. Alright, so you can see the specifications. So it's all electric. So this is a Nissan Leaf and it's all electric. You can check it out. It's all electric, like that. All the mechanism you can see, that's a DC-DC converter, regenerator for regenerative braking. Oh, this is cool. And I'm gonna blow your mind with some other car. Like this is one of my favorite, you can say. I love F1. I love racing. I love F1 car racing. And Nissan has come up with this beast right here. It's a non-electric, all-electric F1 car. It's ABB Formula World Championship. It's a Formula E car. It's 100% electric. Just check this shit out. Nissan produced its sedan. I love the wheels. Love the wheels. It's cool. This is how it looks from behind. The Nissan Ariya, 100% electric. Oh shit. That's the interior. You guys can check out. Nice, cool.